Hi kids, in this video I'll be starting with trigonometric identities. So let's get started. Before we step to 10th grade, let's do the recap of whatever we have learned in 9th grade. For example, this is a right angle triangle where it is right angled at B. So the side which is opposite to right angle, it's the longest side and it is called as hypotenuse. This becomes your base and this becomes your perpendicular. Okay, now the different trigonometry ratio we have already done in 9th grade. Let's revise. Say for example, I want to find sine C. What is sine C? Sine C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. Okay, then comes cos. Say cos C. Now students, see, if this is a right angle triangle, angle A and angle C, both will be acute angle triangle. Okay, I am writing the answers based on angle C. But if you take angle A, so this will become the perpendicular, this will become the base, hypotenuse will remain the same. Okay, so cos C, it is base upon hypotenuse. This we have already done in 9th grade. Okay. Third one, what is tan? Tan formula is always perpendicular upon base. There is no hypotenuse. The different trigonometry ratios other than these three are, the first one is cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So if sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cosec would be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, next is sec, which is also called as secant. That is reciprocal of cos. So cos is base upon hypotenuse, so secant would be hypotenuse upon base. Okay, the next one is cotangent, which we generally call it as cot. Okay, so cot is reciprocal of tan. So tan is perpendicular upon base, so cot is base upon perpendicular. So in short, we can say that cosec is 1 upon sine, correct? Sec is 1 upon cos and tan is 1 upon cot, or cot is 1 upon tan. Either ways, it's same thing. Okay, come on, now let's go to the next part, the trigonometry ratio, which we are going to apply in this 10th grade, which is very important. The first one is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. A can be theta, A can be any angle. Okay, second one, 1 plus tan square A or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This has to be thoroughly done. Okay. Then one more. What is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. In the same way, if I want to find cot theta, what is cot theta? Reciprocal of this. So cot theta would be cos theta upon sin theta. Yes? Is this main relationship between trigonometry ratio clear? Come on, let's start with the exercise. Let's go to the first question. Cosec A, you have to prove that cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A minus 1 is equal to this. Always prove one side and get the next side. It's your wish whether you want to take the right hand side or you want to take the left hand side. Say I am taking the left hand side. What is left hand side? Cosec A. What is cosec A? Cosec A is 1 upon sin A plus 1 the whole upon 1 upon sin A minus 1. Okay. Now after that, what are you going to do? Addition, subtraction you can do only if the fractions are like. So let's take the LCM. The LCM for this is sin A. So this will become 1 plus sin A. Okay. division sign and put it here so that you don't get confused. Over here the LCM is again sin A and it is 1 minus sin A. Clear? So next step, 1 plus sin A upon sin A into sin A. You take the reciprocal when you are dividing, upon 1 minus sin A. This and this gets cancelled. What is left? 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. Children, here you are making use of this. You will have to write what you have done. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. You will have to write the relation. Okay. So we are done with the first sum. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to question number 3. Sin A into tan A upon 1 minus cos A. Let's solve that. Left hand side. So sin A into tan A is what? Sin A upon cos A. Correct? The whole divide by 1 minus cos A. Clear? So here what you will write? You will write tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. If you don't write this, you will lose marks. Okay? So this will become sin A into sin A will become sin square A. Okay? Upon cos A. Divide by 1 minus cos A. Correct? So this is sin square A upon cos A into reciprocal 1 upon 1 minus cos A. So this is sin square A upon cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now which were the three golden main trigonometry ratio relationship? The first one was sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Correct? I want to get, how did I understood which relation should I use? 1 minus cos A, something related to that I should get. So I will do sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. I will use this. Yes? Chalo, let's use this. I'll erase this part. So this will become sin square A, we will write 1 minus cos square A upon cos A into 1 minus cos A. Okay. Now 1 minus cos square, this is of the form A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? It is A plus B into A minus B. Correct? So let's use this identity. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A upon cos A into 1 minus cos A. So this and this gets cancelled. What is left? 1 plus cos A upon cos A. What does it mean? The whole denominator is cos A. So if we separate it, it means 1 upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A. 1 upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A. What is 1 upon cos A? It is sec A. And cos A upon cos A gets cancelled. It is 1. This is what you needed. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here you will have to write, what have you written? 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. Clear? Chalo, let's go to the next one. Let's go to question number 4. 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So let's convert this. What is tan A, children? Tan A is, I am taking the left hand side, okay? So 1 upon, what is tan A? Tan A is sin A upon cos A. What is cot A? Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Correct? Now what you are going to do? You have to take the LCM of the denominators. So 1, I'll write divide by, it becomes easy. Or if you want, you can write it down also. So what is the LCM? Cos A and sin A. Cos A and sin A is the LCM. Now cos A is already there, so you will multiply this. This will become sin square A plus, here you need to multiply cos A. So this will become cos square A. Clear? See, sin A into sin A is sin square A, cos A into cos A is cos square A. So 1 divided by, what is sin square a plus cos square a? The value is 1. So 1 upon cos a into sin a, which is 1 into, take the reciprocal, cos a into sin a. So the answer is cos a sin a, which is your right hand side. Okay, come on, let's go to the next one. Let's solve question number 5. Left hand side is 1 plus tan a the whole square plus 1 minus tan a the whole square. So children, there are different ways to solve it. I'll solve it using identity. This is of the form a plus b the whole square, and this is of the form a minus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, plus sign. What is a minus b the whole square? It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Using this, we'll solve it. So over here, a is 1. So 1 square plus tan square a plus 2 into tan a. Over here, 1 square plus tan square a minus 2 tan a. Okay. Now, what will take place over here? 2 tan a and minus 2 tan a gets cancelled. So what you are left with? You are left with 1 square is 1, tan square a, 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Tan square a plus tan square a is 2 tan square a. Correct? Take common 2. What is left from here? If you take 2, 1 is left, plus over here tan square a is left. Now, which is the golden identity? The 3 golden identity. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. So you got the answer 2 sec square a. Remember this, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Okay, come on, let's go to the next one. Let's go to question number 6. Sin square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, sin square theta and 1. So you can remember what is the relationship? The relationship is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now I want to bring 1 to this side. So cos square theta will go to the other side. So sin square theta minus 1 is equal to minus cos square theta. Correct? This is the first part. What is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Okay, let's use this. So sin square theta minus 1, you can write here minus cos square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta plus 1. Okay, so minus cos square theta into, what is sec square theta? So sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So sec square theta would be 1 upon cos square theta plus 1. This and this gets cancelled. So minus 1 plus 1, the answer is 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let's do question number 8. Sec a into 1 minus sec a, sin a into sec a plus tan a. So first let's open the bracket. Sec a into 1 is sec a. Sec a into minus sin a is minus sec a into sin a. Okay. Multiplied by sec a plus tan a. Okay. Now, what is sec a? Sec a is 1 upon cos. So this you will write sec a the way it is, minus this sec a you will write 1 upon cos a into sin a. This sec a plus tan a. Children, see, trigonometry ratios, these identities you can solve in different ways. But whenever you are solving, you have to see to it that it should not be a long method. So use the easier way. Now, how did I guess it? See here, it is sec a plus tan a. If I multiply this, I will get tan a. So I can use the identity and immediately I will get the answer. Okay. Now, this will become sec a minus tan a into sec a plus tan a. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. So here we are using the identity. So this will become sec square a minus tan square A. Why? Because A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Correct? Now what is sec square A minus tan square A? The value is 1. How? Because 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Correct? So 1 is equal to, I take tan square A to the other side, sec square A minus tan square A. The three main identities, children, I repeat, the golden one, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. You have to remember this. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. And 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Okay, chalo, let's go to the next one. Let's solve question number 9. Cosec theta minus sin theta. So first thing, let's convert cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta minus this sin theta. Okay. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. Now let's take the LCM. What is the LCM of this? LCM is sin theta. So you will get 1 minus sin square theta. Here cos theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos square theta. Over here cos theta and sin theta is the LCM. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now what is 1 minus sin square theta? See, remember I told you the three main identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 sin square theta, if I take here, this will become cos square theta. So the first one would be cos square theta upon sin theta. I'll remove the bracket. Into 1 minus cos square theta. So if I take cos square theta to this side, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So into sin square theta upon cos theta. Okay. Into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Cos square theta is 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now children, sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. So this gets cancelled. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So this gets cancelled. So what is the answer? The answer is 1, which is the right hand side. Let's do question number 13. Cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cos square A into cot square A. So let's do the left hand side. Cot square A is what? It is cos square A upon sin square A. This would be just cos square A the way it is. Okay. Now what I need cos square A. I have cos square A. Okay. And I need cot square A. So I have to get cos upon sin. Okay. How will I get it? So what I will do is I will take the common factor. What is common in this two? It is cos square A. What is left from here? If I take cos square A, 1 upon sin square A is left. From here I take cos square A, so minus 1. Okay. Now cos square A, take the LCM, 1 minus sin square A upon sin square A. Correct? Now 1 minus sin square A is what? Remember the identity? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So this is cos square A into cos square A upon sin square A. Okay. So this you will get as cos square A into cot square A. Why? Because cos square A upon sin square A is equal to cot square A. Okay. Come on, let's go to the next one. Let's do 15th question. Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. Now, this is of the form. How will I analyze? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So, remember, tan A into cot A, it is 1. Therefore, tan square A into cot square A, the value is also 1. Why, children? See, tan square A sin square A upon cos square A. Cot square A is cos square A upon sin square A. So what you will get? You will get 1. Okay? Chalo, you are going to use this to solve. So, tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. This is of the form A square plus B square plus 2AB. So what is the identity? The identity is A plus B the whole square. So over here A is tan A plus cot A the whole square. Clear? Now we have to find sec A and cosec square. Sec square A and cosec square A. What is sec square A? 1 upon cos square A. What is cosec square A? 1 upon sin square A. So in short, we want 1 upon sin square A into 1 upon cos square A, right? So how will you write tan A? Tan A is sin A upon cos A. Cot A is cos A upon sin A, the whole square. So this, when you take the LCM, it is cos A into sin A. What is the LCM? Sin square A plus cos square A the whole square. What is sin square A plus cos square A? It is 1 upon cos A into sin A the whole square, which is equal to 1 upon cos square A into sin square A. 1 upon cos square A is what? Sec square A. 1 upon sin square A is what? Cosec square A. So we got the right hand side. Okay. Let's do question number 16. Sin A into 1 plus tan A plus cos A into 1 plus cot A. So let's do sin A. What is tan A? 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Okay. Plus cos A into 1 plus cot A is cos A upon sin A. Correct? Now let's take the LCM over here. So this is sin A into LCM is cos A. What you will get? Cos A plus sin A. Here plus cos A into LCM is sin A. So this is sin A plus cos A. Okay. Now children, always remember in algebra, the terms are separated either by a plus sign or a minus sign. This is one term and this is another term. What common factor do you find? You can open the bracket and do it. Yes, you can do it. You will ultimately get the same answer. But I will take the common factor. What is common factor in both? It is cos A plus sin A. This is a common factor. This one. This I have taken common. Okay. Sin A plus cos A same as cos A plus sin A. Now what is left behind? If I take this common, left is sin A upon cos A plus sin. Over here cos A upon sin A. Clear? Now this is cos A plus sin A. Okay. Now again take the LCM. What is the LCM? It is sin A into cos A. So this will become sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. So this would be cos A plus sin A into, this will be 1 upon sin A into cos A, which you will get as cos A plus sin A the whole upon sin A cos A. Correct? Now let's separate it. So when you separate it, you will get cos A upon sin A cos A plus sin A upon sin A cos A. Clear? See, this the whole upon this plus this the whole upon this, right? Because they have the same denominator. Now cos A and cos A gets cancelled, sin A and sin A gets cancelled. What is left behind? 1 upon sin A is left. What is 1 upon sin A? 1 upon sin A is cosec A plus 1 upon cos A is sec A. So this is what you wanted to derive. Let's do the 18th one. 1 upon sin A plus 1 minus sin A. So first take the LCM. The LCM is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Here you will get 1 minus sin A. Here you will get 1 plus sin A. This and this gets cancelled. What is left? 2 upon A plus B into A minus B is what, children? It is A square minus B square. So what is A over here? 1 square. What is 1 square? It is 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So if I take sin square here, what will I get? Cos square. So this will become 2 upon cos square A, which is 2 sec square A. Derived it. Okay. Let's go to question number 19. 1 plus sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon 1 plus sin A. First you will take the LCM. LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now children, what you want the answer to be? 2 upon sec A is what? 1 upon cos. That means you want the answer to be 2 upon cos A. Remember that. Okay. So when you take this, what will you get over here? This will become, you will multiply this. So 1 plus sin A the whole square plus cos square A. Clear? Now after that, open the bracket. You will get, what is A plus B the whole square? A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B, which is 2 sin A plus cos square A the whole upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now see, I want down cos A. This has to be removed. So remember, sin square A plus cos square A. What is sin square A plus cos square A? It is 1. So this would be 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. So now take the LCM. Take the common factor. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. When you take the common factor, which is 2, you are left with 1 plus sin A. Correct? See, from here if I take 2, 1 is left. If I take 2 from here, sin A is left. Upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. This gets cancelled. You got 2 upon cos A, which is 2 sec A. Clear? Let's go to question number 21st, children. 1 plus cot A minus cosec A into 1 plus tan A plus sec A. Let's solve it. 1 plus cot A is what? Cos A upon sin A. Minus cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Into 1 plus tan A is sin A upon cos A plus sec A is 1 upon cos A. Take the LCM. LCM would be sin A. So here you will have to multiply sin A plus cos A minus 1. LCM is cos A. So here you will have to multiply cos A plus sin A plus 1. Clear? Now see here, children. This is of the form, this entire thing is A, this is B. This entire thing is A and this is B. So this is of the format a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Let's do that. So this will become a is sine a plus cos a, the whole square, a square minus b square. B square, b is what? 1. So 1. The whole upon sine a into cos a. Okay. Now let's open this bracket. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab sin a into cos a minus 1, the whole upon sin a into cos a. Okay. Now what is sin square a plus cos square a? It is 1. So here you will write 1 plus 2 sin a into cos a minus 1 upon sin a cos a. 1 and this gets cancelled. What you are left with? You are left with 2 sin a into cos a upon sin a cos a. Both are multiplication. Cut this. Answer is 2, which is the right hand side. Okay. Let's do question number 22. Sin a plus cosec a. So let's open the bracket. A plus b the whole square. Or children, you can also do cosec a is 1 upon sin a and then solve it. Both the ways are correct. So I will do it. Open the bracket. So this will become a square plus b square plus 2 into sin a, 2ab. Same thing over here. Cos square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes. Now sin square a plus cos square a is what? It is 1. So here you will write here 1 plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a. What is cosec a? 1 upon sin a. Okay. Plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a is 1 upon cos a. This and this gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. Now what are you getting? You will get 1 plus cosec square a plus 2 plus sec square a plus 2. Correct? So 1 plus 2 plus 2, it is 5 plus. Now I want the answer in tan square a and cot square a. This is cosec square a. So you know that 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. So here I'll write 1 plus cot square a. Same way, sin square a is what? 1 plus tan square a. Yes children? So now add it. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a, which is your right hand side. Okay. I end this video here children. Please stay connected for the next part. Till then, bye, take care and God bless.